Welcome to solverfy.
To find the probability that the stapler will jam 45 times or fewer out of 380 attempts, you can use the binomial probability formula. The probability that x is less than or equal to 45 would be equal to the sum from 0 to 45 of 380 choose x times the probability of success, which is 0.148 x times, and failure, which would be 1 minus 0.148, which is 0.852, to the 380 minus x. And you will definitely want to use a calculator for that. It should come out to it doesn't say how many decimal places to round to, so I'll just do 4.0572. The mean is n times p, which is going to be 380 times 0.148, and 380 times 0.148 is 56.24. The standard deviation is the square root of n times p times 1 minus p, and so it would be the square root of 380 times 0.148 times 0.852. And that comes out to 6.9222 to 4 places. For part C, for a normal approximation to apply both n times p and n times 1 minus p should be greater than 5. So we know that n times p is 56.24, and that's greater than 5. And n times 1 minus p is going to be 380 times 0.852. And that's 323.76, and that's greater than 5. Sometimes you use 10 for that, but they would both check for that as well. So the normal distribution is appropriate. Part D is use the normal distribution without continuity correction to find the probability that x is greater than or equal to 45. Well, that's going to be the same as the probability that z is less than or equal to 45 minus 56.24 over the mean 6.9222. And that, I'll simplify that here, is negative 1.62 roughly. And to 4 decimal places. Is 0.0522. Remember, we got 0.0572 for part A. And with the continuity correction, this would be about equal to the probability that z is less than or equal to 45 plus 0.5 minus the mean over the standard deviation. Which comes out to negative 1.55. Which is 0.0604.